Yeah. Encore. Angelico, die paarden, een soort geefpaarden gegokken, die on workshop show. Hello everyone. Lovely to be here in Saint-Brieuc. I know Francois mentioned that my son is in New York, but I have to say this is my first time to be in Saint-Brieuc, and also my first time to be out of Ireland on St. Patrick's Day. I normally would be in Ireland on St. Patrick's Day. We have a gig that we did every St. Patrick's Day, Stack de St. Patrick, but this year no. So I said yes, I will come to Saint-Brieuc, and I'm delighted to be here. Enchanté, aussi. We are going to do some dances, and we're going to start. Jerry O'Reilly is my name. Je suis Jerry O'Reilly. Mon partenaire, Rosie Davis.
We're going to do some two-hand dances to get warm. They're called kitchen dances, or just for dancing in the kitchen.
Yes. And the first one is called Staicín Eorna. C'est un nom gaélique, en anglais, the little stack of barley. Qu'est-ce que c'est barley en français? Orge. Le orge.
Come behind us.
Everyone will need a partner. Yes. Dancing. Encore. on Wood Show in Maryland. It's great. You can all dance. Miracles. We go to so many Céilís and people who have never danced. So this is great. You can dance. We can do a lot of work. This is great. That's simple Céilí dance. We go to another one. Just give me a sec. Just chat amongst yourself while I set this up. Le nom, il est en Cór Beirte, en anglais, the two-hand reel.
The two-hand reel, okay.
Reel. Avec, après, en Port Beirte, the two-hand jeep. Le jeep pour toi. Okay? relax. The Black Valley is between Killarney and Kenmare. And it's a very lovely place. The set is lovely. There are 5 parts of it. Ready to go? Okay, let's go. Here we go. The première figure. Black Valley Square G. Long lead. Over. Encore. House. The deuxième figure is the second figure. We're going to have a break at the end of this. Knee ground. Slow square. House. Top man, straight across to the outer corner and swing. Danse at home, så plads. Votre partenaire direct. Good on. No square. Put them on house. Side man, direct. Slide. Danse sur place. Votre partenaire direct.
basés. Swing. Slide. Dansez sur place. Retour votre partenaire. Swing. Top men only. Tout le monde. Slow square. Oui. Slide. Non. Dansez sur place pour 4. Direct the palm up the day. Swing. Slide. Dansez sur place pour 4. La palme au gauche. No, stay. Finish. Slide. Dansez sur place. La palme au opposé. Slide. Dansez sur place pour 4. Votre partenaire, swing in place. No, sides only. Tout le monde, slow square. Hands to finish. Le quatrième, plus facile. House. The premier square. The deuxième. The troisième. Hops, house finish. House finish. Sides. Rebound. Sides, house. Square, the première. Le deuxième. Et le troisième. House finish. Too fast. There's no necessity to do that again. No, very easy. So the dahlia figure, the demonstration set, please. Here's the end of it. Round. Through one side step. Side step back. And swing. The top is on six for glass.
a Danse de Céilí. This is the Céilí dance. It is a version of a very old dance called Sir Roger de Coverley. This is the way it has evolved in Ireland. There was a man called Reedy in 1893 who composed dances. He composed this dance, but he really just made a change to a dance that was already there. Okay? So it commands men join hands, women join hands. Are we ready? Yes. Here we go. En anglais is the name the haymakers jig. The haymakers jig. En Gaelic, yes, Baint on air. The cutting of the crops. The haymaker, you know, the cutting of the grass.
première danse, il est mazurka 7. Il est 7 du County Clare. Il est 7 du Martin Barnes in 4. We collected this from Martin Barnes in 1984, and Brooks Academy were the first people to write it down and publish it, so everyone can dance it now. It's danced all over the world now, but this is the first time. Prior to this, it was only danced in a very small area of County Clare. So it's a very simple set. There are 2 tricky, figure complicated, 2 high gates and face the wall. The rest are very easy. This is Matt Cunningham's Céilí band. Circle! I'm coming down. Avancez! Encore! Through them on swing sur place. The premier top, house. Christmas approach. Make way. Come on, house. The premier sign, house. Christmas approach. Come on, house. The deuxième top house. The top. Christmas road. Come on, house. House. The deuxième side, house. House. Christmas road. Break away. Come on, house. Here we go. The deuxième figure, the second figure. Ask you 2 couples to go into that set. Yes, the two tops into that set. Just a second. There are 2 top couples down there. 2 top couples down there. Yes. Avec ton partner. Yeah. Was that the premier? Yeah. Yeah. Down there. Oui. No. Stay. Oui. Oh, oui. Yeah. Let tops. Only let tops. Seulement. Let tops. Double. C'est bon? Encore le deuxième, la main. The second figure. Yes, of the dance. Yeah. Here, over here. With the knees, yeah. Here we go, the man. Avancez. Encore. Through the long swing. The premier top house. So that goes. House. The premier side. House. Rock the block. Avante. Yep. One hold. Come on, house. Deuxième pas. Encore. Avancez. To the long house. House, 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 house. À gauche, droite, à gauche, avancez. Encore. Tout le monde, house to finish. Keep going. House! Sides! House, house! Visitor! Exterior! Don't change your hand. Exterior. Might know encore. House finish. Encore. Two long swing. Les deux top. House. Les long swing à gauche. No, no. The top one. The top only. The premier. Next lady. Go back to your face. Go back to your face. Back your partner. Yeah. Next lady. Go to a partner. No, no. Move on. House. The good side. House. The long side with a bigger figure. Swing a ghost. Go, go. house. Upon the chain, chain. Tulemon swings from glass. Tulemon house. Premier side house. Tulemon upon chain. Tulemon swing. Tulemon house. The deuxième top house. Upon chain. Tulemon house. The deuxième side house. Tulemon chain. Tulemon swing. Tulemon house for pity. Valse. Tulemon swing. The premier top, the premier side house. Passe l'amour. Cast off. Arch. Premier couple. The deuxième. The troisième. Tulemon house. The premier side, the deuxième top house. On passe le jardin. Tulemon house. The deuxième top, the deuxième side.